Thumbs up for observation of student choice. Drum roll, please. We're asking for interest. We don't need to know their skill demonstration just yet. And we'll see why. You'll see why as time goes on. Number 5, a drawback to skipping the pre-assessment. A drawback to skipping to skipping the pre-assessment. A lack of data may waste time. Fewer grades for a unit. Tailoring a lesson may be impossible, or parents will question your teacher decision. So, a drawback, thumbs up if you think it's gonna have you're gonna lack data and it may waste time, thumbs up. Fewer grades per unit, thumbs up. Thumbs up, tailor a lesson may be impossible. Thumbs up, parents will question teacher decision. So a drawback, it's like you're gonna be teaching in the dark. Some kids are gonna know stuff, some kids aren't gonna know stuff, you're not gonna be able to do things, you could move on and you're gonna languish in one area, and all along you could have just skipped that area because the kids got that. So it's really important that we pre-assess. In Spanish class, I'm sorry, I'm a fan of the X-Files, number 6. Mr. Mulder conducted a pre-assessment for an upcoming unit. The results showed that 20% of the students had mastered the skill he was planning to teach. What should Mr. Mulder do with the pre-assessment results? Thumbs up if you think he should teach that skill to all the students, thumbs up. Thumbs up if he should excuse the 20% and give them more advanced work. Thumbs up if you should ask 20% to work in small groups helping others. Thumbs up if you do a quick review and move on. Drum roll. Actually, you excuse the 20% and give them advanced work. Those kids that are gifted and talented, we tend to forget about those children and we make them our helpers. I know, truth be told, I was like, oh, we're gonna put them in a group, they're gonna help the others. Oh, I was wrong. Sorry. So, in Spanish class, Ms. Lopez is going to increase student vocabulary. Her pre-assessment shows that some students already know most of the vocabulary in the chapter, even though they don't have all the skills or content knowledge. What should Ms. Lopez do? Thumbs up, should Ms. Lopez go to the next chapter? Thumbs up, should she complete the vocabulary exercise? Thumbs up, should she learn more advanced vocabulary on the topic? Thumbs up, she should review the words anyway for retention. And the answer is, I think you knew from the last one, review more advanced vocabulary, right? Learn more advanced vocabulary. I know, it took me a minute.
You picked that up.
Yeah, you picked it up, right? See, that's wonderful. So that's a post-assessment for me. So already I know that my students are learning. I am proud. I'm excited. So the other two I'm not going to go so that we can continue on. But you get it. The idea behind this was I had to take the temperature. I had to identify where you were as learners. And the great thing is, no one had the whole thing right. Woo! Because don't worry, because I had differentiated instruction and more advanced work for you just in case you did. So I was just checking. But the great thing is I had to check your interest. So based on what I got here, most of you are okay working with groups, and that's some of the things that we're going to do. I'm going to ask you to turn and talk, and we're going to do some things related to that. Most of you were talking about, I'd like to learn some progress monitoring tools, so we're going to talk about that. And some of you were saying that you want to talk about data collection, and we're going to learn some of that too. So based on the information that you gave me, I was able to talk about your interest.